Welcome to speedearning.in. So now we are discussing the silver behavior in the recent days, what happened there technically. So we have discussed earlier that when you are going to study the technical of any scrape or commodity, there are some narrow and broad ranges. If you are studying the chart for shorter time frames, then the range will be a narrow range, and when you are going for longer durations, then the range will be a broad range. So for big profits and big movements, you should keep in the mind the broader ranges. So if you are noticing the broader ranges, so you can see in silver there was a range bound movement from 35,000 to 40,000, and before that there was a range of 33 to 36 or something. When it broke the 40,000 level after many months, then it was an indication that now silver is gaining the strength again. So at that time you should be prepared to make a position there with lower volumes. So it was like the breaking first resistance R1 in longer time frames. R2 was above 43,000. So it maintained above the 40,000 level, and there was a movement from 41,000 to 42,600, 700, 42,800, and then suddenly it broke the level of 43,000. So it was the assurance of that strength. So now you should make a position with higher volumes. Whatever your capacity is, I don't suggest you to go beyond your capacity, but within the capacity, you can stretch yourself. So at that time, you were prepared about that. So at every dip, you were buying 1 kg or 5 kg as per your capacity, and you bought it 43,500, you bought it 43,000, you bought it 42,400 when there was a chance in a dip, because after breaking some high, there may be a sudden retracement, there may be a sudden profit booking, and then it is gaining the strength again. So in that way, you were accumulating the suitable volume for you, and after some time you saw the silver went to 45,000 and 48,000. So you got a huge profit in few days, but these were not few days, because you were preparing for this movement since many weeks. So you can't ignore the study. I suggest you always that if you are trading for 30 minutes, then you should study for 3 to 4 hours, 5 hours. If you are trading or having the position for suppose 10 days or 1 month, then you should have study of minimum 3 to 6 months. And there should be a study of the earlier background. If you are going for 2 years or 10 years chart, so it doesn't causing any loss, it doesn't causing any confusion, it will give you the clarity itself. So you should go for all the time frame and just keep watching the charts of shorter time frames as well as longer time frames. That will give you the clarity and understanding of the behavior of any script in short duration and long durations. So just keep watching the charts for all remaining commodities in scripts, and you can study the charts for stocks or Nifty futures as well, and that is a habit which will give you a sustainable understanding in the market, and that will give you the ultimate success. Thank you very much. Bye.